Once upon a courtroom scene, the gavel fell, the air grew keen. Stewart Rhodes, oath keepers led, to 18 years, the judge decreed. In the January 6th case, it appears, his calls for violence stoked the fears. Prosecutors posed with power and might, to make their case, to set things right. They urged Judge Mehta, without refrain, to consider Rhodes' acts as pain. Not the explosion of a site, yet organizing an armed fight. And whispering of civil wars, not distant echoes but roars. An arsenal, plotted outside of DC's pride, awaiting an emergency, the chaos to ride. A terrorism act, they exclaimed, bearing the weight of a nation pained. 4 times before, they've asked for the same, but each time judges, the request, they tamed. Yet in this hearing, Rhodes was the focus, his lawyers struggled, the circumstances locust. Mr. Linder, Mr. Bright, fought for Rhodes with all their might. Yet leniency, they couldn't fully seek, for Rhodes' remorse was somewhat weak. They couldn't say he's not a threat, for his defiant statement was yet to be met. In his defense, one point did shine, that Rhodes was not the mastermind. The government, they've tried to frame Rhodes as the face of January 6th, a claim. But figures like Mr. Trump, they said, were more responsible for the dread. The chaos, the violence at the Capitol's gate, that led us to this courtroom's fate. A dance of justice, a dance of law, this is what the courtroom saw. But the story isn't over, no, not yet, there's more to come, a safer bet. If you crave more tales of justice served, of truth unleashed, of voices heard, then hit that subscribe button, don't abstain, and join us as we break the chains.